Ra whānau kia koe, ra whānau kia koe, ra whānau kia ngā pera tuapi, Pedros Taiapatiara, May Davis, ra whānau kia koe, Taiapatiara, kia whitu ngā waia, ka rongo te puru, e mahi moko punai, kaua karai, wawata moko puna, ka rongo te puru, e mahi moko punai, ka tia te kuaha, rahaura e hine, ka rongo te puru.
We're off to the river
E
for
mahi
Reggie's
moko
birthday.
punai,
Aw.
ka rongo te puru. E mahi moko punai. Ti hei mauri ora. Kia ora tātou, kia ora ngā pera. It's lockdown, or well, you know, preparing for lockdown. And e mihi atu kia koe ngā pera for your huritau i tēnei rā. What a day to get locked down, and it's my birthday, and I was going to take you out, but I can't. Nō reira, ngā pera, me tō pāhara keke, your whānau, and even though you're away from us, but this is the good thing, we can still hook up. Let's hook up online. But aroha nui kia koe ngā pera, no, needless to say, we're all proud of you, and we wish you the best day on lockdown. Breakfast in bed all day with your whānau and your loved ones and your besties in the hood around you. And so this is it. This is it from lockdown in Kapiti Coast. But wishing you all the best today, and you know, let's make the most of it. And if you fellas have got a video or a hashtag or emoji or whatever, put your video in there and wish ngā pera a best day on their lockdown in the hood, hari huri tau. That waiata, a little bit, is like taiapa tiara. It was taught to us by our mate back in the day at Te Reo Moeoha, and Henare Ngaia. And no one can tell a story like Henare Ngaia, and aroha ki a ia. But I remember him telling, and only he can tell a yarn and do things in between and crack us all up. And but anyway, taiapa tiara is like put up the fences. Kia whitu ngā waia, make it 7 wires high, because you better put up a high one. Otherwise, ka rongo te puru, the bull's going to hear you. And I used to like henare, he go, mahi moko puna e, and you're going to have some moko punas. And it says, kaua karai, don't even think about it. Don't even let it enter your mind to say the word moko puna, because ka rongo te puru, e mahi moko puna e, e ka tiara, shut the gates, and otherwise the bull will hear you and you end up with too many moko puna. But that's us, out the gate, my daughters, awesome, love you all. You're out the gate, and we're so proud of you all actually, and taiapa tiara for me is ngā pera. And you've got the tuakana. You always talk about the tuakana and the teina, or the mātāmua, the firstborn, and the pōtiki. And my mātāmua is Erana Hapemā ki Tarangi. She's our chief of Rongoa Institute. And then we got Tūhati, Te Hari, with a name like that, she doesn't need a middle name. And love them both. And then the taiapa tiara, there's o ngā pera, she's always on the fence in the middle, and she gets the hand-me-downs and the hand-me-ups, and she gets to sort out all the scraps in the whānau. But that's taiapa tiara, they're sitting on the fence, and that's ngā pera, and wish you the best today. My girl, I haven't got any latest photos of us, but if you've got any, tag them in, and all the best, my honey. It's doesn't matter what the time is, it's 1:30 Wainganui Po, 1:30 midnight in the hood, but lots of love to you, and keep up doing your good work in the community, and in your hapori, in your own family, in your hapori, your pā harakeke, around Wainuiomata, and I'm so proud of you working over there, and sharing the mahi, whakaora i te tangata, bringing wellness to the people. But today we want you to think about yourself and put your feet up, and watch out for those drinks. I saw it in your photo. All right then, aroha nui, ka pai whānau. You can put a clip in. I'd like it if you put a clip in for my girl, if you get a chance. Put her a little birthday clip in. All right. Hey, konei rā, I'll see you tomorrow. All right. See you online. Swipe.